Hey guys, this is Key, the founder at SavvyGrow. Today I'm gonna go over how to set up and install and start growing with our medium DWC system. So we have a variety of system, variety version of the system. Basically the bucket, the size, and all the accessories is the same. Just basically you either get 6 hole or 11 hole. And we have the lettuce kit and the herb kit, which use the same system. So this is a 6-hole system. So this is for you if you want to grow something a little bit large like lettuce, and if you just grow plant that's kind of small like herbs, cilantro and stuff, then the medium, the 11-hole system is better. So I'm just gonna lay out all the stuff that comes with the system, the instruction, and this whole thing just for packaging purposes, and you can just discard it. A few people have questions, to see what is this used for and stuff, but this is just for packaging, so you can just throw it away. And come with rock wool, the water indicator. Sorry, the pump, air stone, long air stone. This will really oxygenate the water really well. And with our latest version, it comes with this suction cup and this whole air stone holder, so it holds the air stone to the bottom of the bucket and not so it won't move around. It comes with clay pebble. The tubing. It comes with the check valve, and for all lettuce and herb kit, it comes with a small package of about 50 seeds, either lettuce, there's 5 different types of lettuce or 5 different types of herb, and nutrients. So okay, how should we go about it? So first let's try to install the water indicator first. So you get kind of 2 seal-ring, just insert it in, pretty easy. Okay. Then you get the elbow, so just push the water indicator tube into the elbow, and then just push that into the seal ring, simple, and then the other one to the bottom. One question we have, people sometimes they confuse that, okay, once you put the tube in, is there no way to get it out? So for the tube, there's a little thing here. If you push it up, you can pull the tube out. So yeah, that's one little trick. And then just kind of push the other one in. Sometimes the water indicator comes a little bit long. You can cut it off a little bit. So this one I think is a bit long, so it's not perfectly. So yeah. So next we want to connect a pump with an air stone. So you need a scissor, just cut this tubing, cut like 1 or 2 inches. I cut it already. And then connect that with the pump, and the other end connected with the check valve. So the check valve, there's like a little arrow, say in. That should go into the kind of the pump side. So that just basically prevent the water from going in back down into the pump. So like sometimes you have the pump low and then you have the water bucket high, and then the water might go down here, but then the check valve kind of prevent that. So if you get that wrong, sometimes you get it wrong, you can really test it real quick by turn on the pump, and if you feel any air, then you are right. If there's no air coming out, then that means you got the direction wrong. So you can just flip it, or once you plug in the air stone, and if you turn on and if there's no bubble coming out of the air stone, then you know that the check valve is installed incorrectly. Then you can just flip it, that, then get the rest of the tubing, insert into the air stone, into the check valve. It's a little bit tight, so be patient. So that there's no leak, so it's very tight. And then our system, the newest version, it should have a hole on top here somewhere. So you can insert in the seal ring and insert in the tube. But then since I have the old version, which has the hole up here, the reason we change it to down here is that so that way when you change out the water, it's easier. You can just open up. Right now, like here, it's kind of like you have to. There's some connection, so it's kind of hard for you to change out the water. So that's why we move it out here. So we are constantly improving the system, adding or changing whatever's necessary to make it better, more efficient, and we get a lot of those feedback from the user who's using the system. So yeah, feel free to give us any feedback or comment, and we'll be glad to. We'll be very happy to take them and try to improve the system. So next, air stone. So come with this. So just kind of insert it on the back, the suction cup. Slide in pretty easy, and then snap in the air stone. And then you want to just insert the tubing into the air stone, and then just place it in the middle of the bucket. That's it, and push down on the suction cup so it kind of holds it down. Ooh, slide out. So yeah, because like you want the air stone to stay in the middle, so it kind of irrigate all the root of the plant, well, and sometimes because before like the air stone can move around, and stuff. So when you change out water or stuff, so that's why we added that in. And then you just plug in the pump and it should work. So next, it depends on like, okay, if you have regular plant that you bought from the store, or if you bought one of the herb kit or the lettuce kit, and you get the seed, and you can see using the rock wool that came with it. We have a video tutorial to show you how we see directly using in the system using the rock wool. So check that out if you want to see how we do it. And also we have another video tutorial that show you how to transplant your regular plant that you got from the store and transplant into the hydroponic system. And for the nutrients or the nutrients that came with our kit system, it's 5 grams per gallon, and you can basically we kind of measure, so you can use half of the nutrients to fill this bucket and with 2.5 gallon of water. And this bucket basically can hold 2.5 gallon of water, which is that's where it hit the bottom of the net cup. So and the clay pebble, so if you either seed or if from the rock wool, right? So you would put a few seed into the rock wool and put it in here. And people kind of sometimes ask, okay, do you use the rock wool or you use the clay pebble or you use both or what? So what I do is that like I basically use both. So like the rock wool is not big enough, right? So we would just put a few around, rock wool around, so it kind of hold the plant. So the clay pebble is basically to hold the plant down, and just like that, so it's tightly hold, and then kind of also block the light from going into the water and nutrients. And if you have regular plant, then you just kind of put the plant in into the net cup, and then just put the rock wool around the plant to hold the plant, you know, so it's stable. That's all for that system. So I mean, and then you just plug it in, and typically for herbs and that is, you know, then you want to leave put the pump and the light on for around 14 to 16 hours. And I usually use a timer, you know, so you just kind of plug it in and set it to be on for 16 or 14 hours, and then, you know, it's basically automatic. You know, you don't have to worry about it. You just turn on and off, you know, and then just sit there and watch it grow like crazy. And if you are growing, you know, fruit, you know, kind of like tomatoes and peppers and stuff, then the kind of we call it, people call it the growth phase, right? So that is like when the plant is grow, which is the same thing for, which is because the vegetable and the herbs, they just have grow phase, right? So that's why you just leave it on for 16 hours. So it's the same for the other fruit, but then once, you know, they start to flower and bloom, then you want to reduce it down to 12 hours only. So at that time that they need more rest. So for the fruit one, once it starts to flower and bloom, then you would just put it on for 12 hours and 12 hours off. And also you want to make sure that at that time you want to use the blooming nutrients. That's all I have for that. If you have any question, let me know in the comment, or, you know, email us, or, you know, message us on Facebook. You know, we'll be glad to help you if you have any problem, or, you know, setting up anything. You know, we're here to help. So yeah, let us know. Thank you for watching.